Encountering the video scheduler internal error on Windows 11? I'll guide you on how to fix this issue swiftly. Stay tuned for a quick solution to get your system back on track. Open the Start menu and type Defender. Select Windows Defender from the list. In the left-hand panel of the Windows Defender program, select Virus and Threat Protection. Now click the Scan options, check the Full Scan option, and click on Scan Now. Press the Windows key plus X and choose Windows PowerShell, Admin. Now type the following, then hit Enter. SFC Scan wait for the scanning process to complete, and then restart your computer to repair all corrupted files. Press the Windows key plus R to launch the Run window. In the Run windows, type dev mgmt msc and click OK. Locate your graphics card, right-click it, and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers and wait for the process to finish. Press the Windows key plus X and select Device Manager from the list. Locate your driver, right-click it, and choose Uninstall Device. Check Delete the driver software for this device and click on Uninstall. Restart your PC. Press Windows key plus I and navigate to Windows Update. Click on Check for Updates and download any available updates. After the update is complete, restart your Windows PC. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.